magnificent.
Guys, today we are making mahamris. So we have our all-purpose flour, we've got sugar, we have cardamom outer peelings, we have the actual cardamom, we have removed them from this outer cover. We have our instant yeast and our mixing bowl. So let's start with the process. So we'll start by pounding the cardamom. We are putting in our flour into the mixing bowl. We put in our cardamoms, and we shall go in with our sugar. Put enough sugar to taste, or depending with your preference. Lastly, we are going in with our yeast. So this is the last of the dry ingredients. And give it a mix. Then we shall go in with our wet ingredients, that is milk. So the milk shall help us to hold the flour together. So continuously pour in your milk bit by bit, mixing with a spoon. And once it gets hard, now you can use your hands to knead the dough. So let's now knead our dough. So guys, we shall be back once our dough is ready. So our dough is kneaded well, as you can see. So what I will be doing next is to cover it and leave it for about 10 minutes for our yeast to proof. So we shall cover it and leave it for 10 minutes for the yeast to proof. So see you guys in 10 minutes. So that's our dough after 15 minutes. As you can see, it has doubled in size. It's very, very soft. You can see it's bouncing back. So the next step is to roll out the dough. So from our main dough, we are going to make small balls, which we are now rolling out. And after rolling out, we are going to cut the dough into desired sizes. You can cut them depending with the sizes that you want. You can make rectangular shapes, circle shapes, oval shapes, name it. Explore as many shapes as you possibly can. So we have cut out all to test whether our oil is hot enough, and I'll be using these leftovers cutouts. So as you can see, the oil is ready. So let's proceed now to put in our other mahamris. Do not overcrowd your pan so that they can all cook very well and evenly. As you can see, they are rising very well, which is an indication that the yeast cooked very well. So cook them on either side until they brown. So thank you so much for watching our mahamri recipe until the very end. I hope you have learned a thing or two. For those of us who have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to be notified each time we post a new video. Remember to also like this video. That way YouTube recommends it to very many people. Remember to also leave your girl a kind comment at the end of the video. And until our next video, I hope you get to try this recipe at home. May the Lord bless you and keep you in good health. Goodbye.